A few common weight loss misconceptions. There's so much information out there about losing weight, like how to do it, how not to do it, how to do it quickly, etc., and it can be really hard to know which claims are actually based in science and which ones are totally bogus. Fortunately, we're here to set the record straight about some common weight loss myths you may have encountered. Myth: failing to lose weight means you don't have enough willpower. Fact: losing weight is more complicated than just wanting it badly enough. Your weight can be affected by factors besides the foods you eat and how active you are, like your genetics and medical history. Additionally, studies show that willpower fades the more you use it, making it harder and harder to resist cravings when dieting. This all means that struggling with weight loss isn't a sign of failure or not trying hard enough. Sometimes dieting is just a losing battle. Myth: supplements can help you lose weight. Fact: most weight loss supplements don't work, and some are even dangerous. Weight loss supplements are often unregulated and may contain dangerous hidden ingredients. There's also little scientific evidence that they're effective. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration warns consumers to be wary of weight loss supplements that make extreme claims or promise to help you lose weight quickly. When in doubt, skip the supplements. Myth: you can't snack if you want to lose weight. Fact: healthy snacks help control hunger and prevent binging. You don't need to give up snacking to lose weight. In fact, snacking can actually help prevent overindulging at mealtimes, which makes it helpful in a weight loss plan. You want to prioritize healthy snacks that give you energy and leave you feeling satiated. Myth: carbs are bad for weight loss. Fact: you can eat carbs and still lose weight. Carbohydrates are an important part of a balanced diet. Your body needs them for fuel. The key is to prioritize eating healthy carbs, like fruit and whole grains, over refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pasta, and cookies, since refined carbs have fewer nutrients and are higher in calories. You also want to be mindful of your portion sizes. Just like with any food, the more carbs you eat, the higher your caloric intake will be. Myth: you should avoid all fats. Fact: healthy fats are an important part of a balanced diet. Your body needs fat for energy and to absorb certain nutrients, so you shouldn't, and don't need to, cut it out completely to lose weight. Instead, focus on eating sources of unsaturated, healthy fats, like olive oil, almonds, and oily fish, and limit saturated, less healthy fats found in things like butter, processed meats, and desserts. Myth: fad diets are effective. Fact: most fad dieters gain the weight back. There are all kinds of fad diets out there: the low-fat diet, the grapefruit diet, the smoothie diet, etc., but they all share one thing in common: they usually don't work, at least not in the long run. Research shows that most people who try fad diets end up gaining back the weight they lost, and sometimes even more. Why? Over time these diets can become too restrictive, expensive, or monotonous, and people aren't able to stick with them long term. Myth: you need to follow a grueling exercise regimen to lose weight. Fact: exercising isn't helpful if you can't stick with it in the long run. Your workout routine needs to be something you can keep up with long term. Frequent intense workout sessions that leave you physically exhausted and in pain aren't sustainable for the average person. Instead, look for ways to incorporate more physical activity into your daily life that you'll be able to stick with. Myth: you have to skip meals to lose weight. Fact: skipping meals isn't necessary for losing weight. Losing weight comes down to burning more calories than you consume, so many people think that cutting calories by skipping meals will help them shed pounds. Unfortunately, skipping meals can actually backfire in the long run. When you don't eat enough, your body doesn't get the nutrients it needs and can become weak. It can also make you more likely to crave fatty and sugary foods, which can actually lead to weight gain.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,